In this video, I will show you how to add GIF on Slack. So to get started, go ahead and open Slack on your device. Now in here, go ahead and head over into the conversation where you want to send a GIF to. So go ahead and select a specific individual or group chat where you want to send a GIF. Now in here, go ahead and click on the text section of your conversation. In here, go ahead and click on this emoji icon and then head over into the GIFs tab. So as you can see in here, Slack GIFs are not loading. So what you can do first is open your keyboard and then click on this box icon at the top left of your keyboard and then click on this sticker icon. Now in here, click on GIF and then you can go ahead and search for a specific GIF that you want to send to this specific user. So go ahead and select that and then click on that send button to send this GIF to that specific user. That's basically how you can add and send GIF on Slack.